Hi everyone, welcome to another video on Greek Street Bridge Replacement Project Stockport. This is probably going to be the penultimate video on the project because obviously it's coming towards the end now. Got some footage coming up that I filmed a couple of weeks ago, and I've got some footage that I've got filmed earlier today. So in this video today we'll have a look at what differences have been made in the past couple of weeks on the project, and we'll also have a look at what finishing touches have been made. This is the footage that I filmed at the beginning of March. You can see the tarmac just needed completing. It's quite a lot needed doing in the centre of the roundabout. And again, from the beginning of March, this is looking along Shore Heath, got the Armoury pub in the top corner there. You can see the tarmac needed finishing off, and they still had to install quite a bit in the centre of the roundabout. This was looking towards Edgeley, flying backwards towards the Armoury pub, got the Edge UK building at the top there. This was filmed today. This is Manchester City Centre from Stockport. So let's go over to today's footage of the roundabout, see what changes have taken place. In typical fashion, as soon as they surface a road, they dig it up again. I'm only joking on that. That yellow truck there is something to do with the bridge expansion joints. Now, I did do a 3 times zoom in on this, so I'm assuming it's some kind of weatherproofing or something similar, because they've done it on both sides. This is on the side of the Armoury pub, and they've also done it on the other side, but completed it on the Edgeley side where the Edge UK building is. Just got a general overview here. This is flying backwards from the railway station towards Edgeley Park. Now flying backwards from Greek Street towards Mercian Way, Armoury pub in top corner. Flying backwards from Edgeley towards Greek Street. Said earlier that the finishing touches are now being added. They've got various bits of street furniture and signs added, so let's have a look at that. The road signs giving directions have now been installed. You can't see it very well from the video, but the Belcher beacons on the zebra are now flashing. The Edgeley station sign is back. Now, I don't think that is the original one. If anybody local does know for definite if it is the original one, can you leave it in the comments, please? That's it for this one, and obviously that's it for nearly for the project. Now, I've really enjoyed covering this project. If you do want a recap of what's been going on over the past 12 months, check out the playlist. I've got over 30 videos of the projects in that. If you do want to check out the other projects I'm covering, like Mottram, etc., have a look at those. If you can, like, and subscribe, I'd really appreciate it, and I will catch you on the next one. Thanks again for watching, everyone. Take care, bye.